Wave is a freemium accounting solution currently used by over 400,000 small businesses. But is it the right accounting software tool for you? We seek to answer that question as we cover the most important things you should consider before purchasing an accounting tool, including pros and cons, pricing, and features. If you're already a Wave customer, tell us what you think of the product in the comments below, and if you're new here, hit the like and subscribe button to be notified of our future software reviews. Software Pundit gave Wave an analyst rating of 86 out of 100, and it is currently ranked 7th in our accounting software category. One of Wave's biggest perks is that it provides several features for free, and it has a user-friendly interface. Wave also offers bookkeeping services for those without a dedicated bookkeeper. On the other hand, it's difficult to get in touch with the Wave support team. Payroll comes at an additional monthly cost, and Wave lacks inventory management features that many businesses require. Wave offers their accounting software, invoicing features, and business bank accounts for free. Other features and services, such as payroll and bookkeeping services, come at varying costs starting at $20 per month. Wave's invoicing feature is as straightforward as it gets, with 3 pre-built invoice templates to choose from. Businesses can customize invoices to their preference with company logos. Along with invoicing capabilities, Wave offers estimates, recurring invoices, customer statements, and your list of products and services. To create and send invoices with Wave, you'll choose from 3 templates, add your logo, customize colors to fit your business, and add customers and line items with just a few clicks. Once you've customized the invoice, you can save it as a draft and preview before sending it to your customers. When we sent invoices, they were delivered promptly to the customers' inboxes. Once you have approved and sent the invoice, you can schedule automatic payment reminders for the customer for 3 days, 7 days, and 14 days after the due date. You can make any invoice recurring for repeat customers, send invoices via email or shareable link, and turn on online payments for customers to pay directly from their invoice. When customers have received an invoice, they'll be able to view it as a web page and will also receive the invoice as a PDF to save for their records. With Wave, you can accept payment via credit card or bank payments. Your customers can choose to pay whichever way they prefer, or you can mandate from which form of payment you'd like to accept on each invoice. One unique feature of Waves is the ability to add a checkout list to your website, which allows your clients to pay without an invoice. This isn't found in all other accounting software tools, so it's definitely advantageous if you offer products or services that customers can order from your company website. Wave's expenses section breaks down sales categories into bills, receipts, products and services purchases, and a vendor CRM to keep track of your list of vendor contacts. When you upload receipts, Wave will automatically calculate the sales tax for that particular receipt. Additionally, Wave creates an automatic expense transaction when receipts are uploaded. Bills look much like invoices and are kept in a list view with information like the purchase and due dates, the vendor, and payment status. Wave is a fantastic freemium accounting software tool that's ideal for freelancers and small businesses. Customers we interviewed were extremely pleased with the tool, especially because it is free. However, we did note that the customer support team is hard to get in touch with, and Wave's chatbots can be frustrating to deal with. This is definitely not the right software for you if you're a large business with advanced needs regarding inventory management. For more advanced tools that will serve larger product-based businesses, look into Zoho Books or QuickBooks Online. If you're interested, you can try Wave today by clicking the link in the description. Do you agree with our recommendation for Wave? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed our content, please like and subscribe.